This is the Grok AI alchemy. It takes natural language and converts it to the new semantic SEO algorithm used by Google, X, and YouTube. You can select the platform you want to optimize for by selecting it from the dropdown. It is easy to choose the model you want by selecting it from the model's dropdown. Write or paste your source content on the left side that will be converted to semantic content. The new semantic version will display on the right side. Notice the ranking assigned to the output.
You can ask Grok to make further changes in the Ask Grok interface at the bottom.
Type your prompt in the window and press enter. Grok will update the content. Once you're satisfied with your semantic content, copy and paste it to your destination like YouTube or X. We hope you have enjoyed this Grok Pot AI software tutorial. Please contact us at severanceltd.com today.